Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 16th of April 2022. So these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. What is the total amount of climate action awards announced by UNDP and the partners of Adaptation Innovation Marketplace? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is USD 2.2 million. So recently the United Nations Development Program and the partners of the Adaptation Innovation Marketplace have approved USD 2.2 million in climate action grants. Okay, so now question number 2. Which of the following banks would sell its full 4% interest in India SME Asset Reconstruction Company for close to rupees 4 crore? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bank of Maharashtra. So the Bank of Maharashtra announced that it will sell its entire 4% ownership in India SME Asset Reconstruction Company for almost rupees 4 crore. So according to regulatory system, the Bank of Maharashtra has entered a share purchase agreement for the sale of the entire equity position of 4% in Indian SME Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. Okay, so now question number 3. Which of the following will be India's G20 main coordinator? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Harshvardhan Shringla. So the Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan will take over next month as G20 Chief Coordinator, the government officially announced. So the appointment is significant as India will assume the G20 presidency on October 1st, 2022 from Indonesia and will convey the G20 Leaders Summit for the first time in India in 2023. Okay, so now question number 4. Which Indian PSU received a gold prize in the social responsibility category? 80th SKOCH Award. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is National Mineral Development Corporation. So the National Mineral Development Corporation under the Ministry of Steel has won 1 gold and 1 silver award of the 80th SKOCH Summit and SKOCH Award. Okay, so now question number 5. What is the World Bank's revised growth rate for India for financial year 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 8%. So the Ukraine crisis and high fuel and food prices, the World Bank has slashed India's growth rate from 8.7% to 8%. So the World Bank in South Asia report has revised India's growth rate to 8%. So the reasons cited for lower growth are rising fuel and food prices, which account for what we call headline inflation. So the distribution in the supply chain in South Asia is one of the major attributes of the decreasing trend. Okay, so now question number 6. What is the budget for the revised Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 5,911 crore. So seeing the success of the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan launched in 2018, the CCEA approved its further continuation till March 2026. So the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan has been revamped and has been assigned a corpus of 5,911 crore rupees. So the scheme is under the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. It is a centrally sponsored scheme. So under this scheme, 1.36 crore people have been trained so far to make them employable. So it aims to train 1.35 crore people over next 5 years. Apart from that, it is aimed at meeting the Sustainable Development Goal target set by the government. Okay, so now question number 7. Primitive ceiling for FDI investment in LIC IPOs as established by Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, modifying Foreign Exchange Management Act. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 20%. So the mega IPO of the largest insurer in the country, the FEMA rule have been amended to allow 20% FDI in LIC through IPO. So the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has relaxed the FEMA rules to allow 20% investment through FDI. So LIC is SLAT to undergo initial public offer, therefore to attract maximum subscription and diversify the basket of investment. So the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has taken this decision. Okay, so now question number 8. Recently, the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board announced a joint venture with a large Indian infrastructure business for infra project in India with a combined capital of 5,300 crore. What is the name of the Indian partner firm? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Tata Realty Infrastructure Limited. So, the post-investment in the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board has joined hands with Tata Realty Infrastructure Limited to infra project in India. So, the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board and the Tata Realty Infrastructure Limited have formed a joint venture with a capital of 5,300 crore rupees to invest in the infra project across India. So, the focus will be commercial and office spaces across metro cities. Okay, so now ninth question. SEBI has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with which securities organization for stock market investment through FPI? So, the correct answer of this question is option C. So, Cabinet has approved the MOU signed between SEBI and Manitoba Security Commission Canada. It will require both parties to register for FPI with each other. Okay, so now last question. What is the growth rate of service exporters in fiscal year 2021 to 2022? So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 21.31%. So, the service exporters touched USD 250 billion for April to March 2021 to 2022 with a growth of 21.31% over the last fiscal year. Okay.